If you want to find the best NFT business ideas to start your own business, I'm going to share with you some NFT ideas to help you start an NFT business today. The main takeaway here is that around this huge trend, many opportunities have risen, so you don't actually need to create your own NFT collection to start a business. And if you are an artist, you should consider this technology because the opportunities for you in this space are endless. On the other episodes of this series, you can find more information about NFTs, how to buy it, and how to create NFTs and start your own business. I'm Michael Tadros, the professor, with a diversified experience for many years working as a consultant for startup businesses and entrepreneurs, as well as a project manager for Agile, Scrum, Lean and conventional projects. I will show you real-world examples of NFT businesses to help you see what it really takes. Now, if you're ready, let's get to it. Number 1. Start an NFT community. This is an awesome business opportunity that has blossomed within the NFT world. For those who don't know, particularly every major or aspiring NFT collection has a huge online community, so the NFT enthusiasts are very familiar with participating in online communities. Not only that, they expect it to exist and there is the business opportunity. You could start an NFT business managing online communities for creators. It's easy to assume they will not have the time or the knowledge, or creating one and monetizing it. And here is the great news. To start, you only need a laptop and be familiar with Discord. Number 2. Start NFTs marketplace. A marketplace is a platform that enables trade in NFTs. Think about Etsy for NFTs. An artist creates his or her collections, but he or she needs a place to sell them. And since most people are not familiar with the technology behind the blockchain smart contracts, these marketplaces are a very popular choice to sell artworks because they are secure and very easy to use. The online marketplaces you could consider, for example, OpenSea, it's now worth $13.3 billion following a recent investment of $300 million. Other successful examples are Rarible or the NBA Top Shoot marketplace. Enabling these trades is key to this industry. Try thinking about how you can improve current solutions and you could win big. Number 3. Start an online courses business. This is an NFT business idea that is perfect if you are not an artist or a developer. So, what do you need to create a successful online course? Only to have more knowledge of a specific field than other people. Since the world of NFTs is something relatively new, it's still very easy to learn about it and share it with those who know very little about it, which is most people. Once you have the knowledge, creating an NFT online course and distributing it is very simple. There are numerous platforms that will help you create the course, distribute it, and collect the money from sales. Number 4. Start an influencer marketing business. One of the main ways that NFT collections get the word out and get sold is through influencers. Lots of celebrities like Snoop Dogg, Neymar Jr. or Gary Vaynerchuk have come forward and promoted or bought NFTs already. However, you don't need to have those super high-level connections to start an NFT influencer marketing business. Instead of trying to hire someone with 3 million followers, you could contact several people with 50,000 followers. That's doable and will also spread the word sometimes even better because these influencers with smaller audiences appeal to more specific user segments versus those huge celebrities with very broad audiences. So if you are looking for an NFT related idea to make money, this is one that needs zero investment and can show results quickly. Number 5. Become an NFT artist. The rise of NFTs has opened many possibilities for artists of almost all disciplines. And that's why creators from widely different fields have embraced them. From unknown artists that were borrowing money and now have made $4 million in one day, to the Japanese pop artist superstar Takashi Murakami or the comic artist Guy Lamarche, many artists have spotted its benefits. The world is hungry for existing NFT art right now. If you are a creator, this is probably one of the most favorable scenarios you will ever experience. Number 6. Start a charity that accepts cryptocurrencies. NFT artists have developed strong ties with charitable causes. An increasing number of NFT projects have taken the initiative to donate a portion of their profits from sales to charities. With NFTs selling prices reaching millions of dollars, their donations can be huge sometimes. NFTs are becoming a major force in charitable fundraising. By both pledging these generous donations and being vocal about these issues that they care, these creators are having a huge impact on fundraising space. As of November 2021, the 10 most charitable NFT projects have donated over $7.8 million to support causes such as mental health, wildlife preservation, or education. While traditional raising strategies can be challenging, developing ties with NFT communities can be extremely beneficial for non-profit organizations. Number 7. Start a blog about NFTs. Blogging is one of those activities that can be applied to almost every industry that you can imagine. Even though a new social network comes in our way with newer and quicker ways to create content, the truth is that blogs have been around for ages and they are going nowhere. When a topic is so new and mostly unknown to the greater part of the population, Google is where they go to ask their questions about it. When a middle-aged dad wants to know what the heck are NFTs, he Googles it. But when an expert marketeer that runs a Discord community has a specific issue, she or he also goes to Google looking for answers. As you can see here, the interest in NFTs is growing non-stop. And believe it or not, it is still early to start a blog about NFTs and make money with it. Comment on current news, share thoughts about upcoming collections, create guides. The possibilities for releasing eye-grabbing content are endless. The good news is that to start this type of business, all you need is a computer. Now, I believe you got some information if you want to find the best NFT business ideas to start your own business. On the other episodes of this series, you can find more information about some ideas to start your own NFT startup business. Thanks for watching this 5th episode of NFT Startup Businesses Deep Dive. I would recommend you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the other episodes of the NFT series. Just click that button down below to subscribe and make sure you ring the bell so you get noticed when other videos come out. Don't forget to give this video a like and share if you enjoyed it. And make sure to leave your questions or suggestions down below and tell me what NFT business are you planning right now. I'll be super excited to know and I would love to reply and assist you. I look forward to talking to you at my next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.